Calculate the value of labeled angle x. Line constructions, exterior angle of a triangle theorem, angle at center theorem and angles supplementary rule are used to solve this question. Since BCDA is a parallelogram, angle DAB equals angle DCB, which equals to 40 degrees. It is because the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Locate the center of the circle, O. Join line OD equals line OB, which equals to radius of the circle. Label point E. Angle DEB equals the sum of angle EAD and angle ADE. This is because the exterior angle of a triangle equals sum of two opposite interior angles. It implies that angle DEB equals the sum of 40 degrees and x. Hence, angle DOB equals 2 times angle DEB. It is because angle at center is 2 times angle subtends at the circumference of a circle. It signifies that angle DOB equals 2 times the sum of 40 degrees and x, which equals to 80 degrees plus 2 times x. Angle BCD and angle DOB are supplementary angles, that is, 40 degrees plus angle DOB equals 180 degrees. This implies that 40 degrees plus 80 degrees plus 2 times x equals 180 degrees. Hence, 2 times x equals 180 degrees minus the sum of 40 degrees and 80 degrees, which equals to 60 degrees. Divide the equation by 2. We have that x equals 60 degrees divided by 2, which equals to 30 degrees. Therefore, the correct option is C.